Further discussion, Representative Marumoto.
Mr. Speaker, I'm in opposition to this particular measure.
Okay.
And I think most employers would like to see their employees' injuries taken care of in a timely fashion, but there are times when you feel that it may not be a reasonable injury. This further adds to the costs and impacts of a skewed workers' compensation insurance system in Hawaii. And even though the costs may be lower now, it may arise if we keep adding on increased costs, like this one for attorney's fees. It's long been documented that work comp costs in Hawaii are high, and the program is distorted because the presumption is that any injury to a worker occurs on the job. Remember the fellow jogging after work. He fell, and that was a work injury. The burden falls on the employer and their insurance company then to prove otherwise, that it wasn't a work injury. Further, our state says that the DLR Director of Labor, the Industrial Relations Board, or a court decide that the employer's efforts to challenge the work comp claim are unreasonable. Then the small business must pay for the legal proceedings. In 2008, the ICA, the Intermediate Court of Appeals, as aforementioned, determined that attorneys' fees should not be included in the costs of these proceedings. And now this bill would reverse that court decision. It puts a further financial impact on companies who question work comp claims. I have no problem with the concept of loser pays in court actions. In fact, I wish Hawaii would adopt this in tort liability cases. But the work comp program is not a loser pay system. Rather, it allows for an arbitrary and possibly capricious decision to be made against the small businessman or woman who questions a work comp matter and decides to prosecute the claim. When will my colleagues realize that every time you pass laws like this, you add one more obstacle to those who want to employ people? I will vote no because I know this bill is bad for jobs and for the workers of our state. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.